Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will teach you how to enable data usage on Twitter and save data when browsing on Twitter. Watch the video to the end. Log into your Twitter account. Go to the left-hand side and click on More. Move up and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and click on Accessibility, Display and Languages. Move to the right-hand side and click on Data Usage. You have seen the options. Select what you want from the options. To save data, click Never. You see now, none of the video will automatically play because we selected Never. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next class.